Hi, this is Chris with Fischer Workshops, and in today's video tutorial I'd like to show you how to make my leather smartphone stand. Subscribe to Fischer Workshops to get our latest video releases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. After taping the pattern to the leather, I want to mark where the holes will be first. I'm not punching all the way through the leather since I only want to leave a mark. Since the leather is pretty thick, I'm not going to cut all the way through, but use my knife to trace the pattern onto the leather. Now I'll proceed to cut out the traced areas. Punch holes for the correct size, depending on the type of rivet or screw you plan to use. Punch matching holes for the interior piece. Before assembly, bevel and burnish the center, where the stand will be folded. First, apply water or burnishing gum to the edges. Burnish with a wood slicker. For additional shine, heat a little wax and apply to the edges and polish. Roughen the smooth surface of the interior piece, apply contact cement, and fix to the main body as illustrated. Now fix both ends together, making sure the holes line up. Now you can fix your screws or rivets before applying the finishing touches. With some sandpaper or a sanding stick, sand the edges until they are even. Bevel the edges, apply a little water, and burnish with a wood slicker. Now I'm going to attach my D-ring with screw. If you are using a regular D-ring, then you'll need to fix it to the stand prior to folding together. Finished and ready to watch a movie. Now let's see how to assemble one with just a keyring. The design is slightly different from the stand with the D-ring, as you'll see. Unlike the D-ring version of the stand, the keyring version doesn't have a fold. Assembly is very similar to the first stand, as you'll see. After polishing, you'll want to install the top screw last, as the keyring will be fixed to it. Finished, easy to make and carry with you anywhere to use anytime. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to Fischer Workshops to get our latest video releases.